So guys, now the time is 10:50. I have to start seeing things faster. Like if one bigger panda lives in one place, next one will be about 5 kilometers apart. Next bigger one, or 10 kilometers apart. There is a place called New Road, I guess. From here about 10 kilometer we have to walk. So I am walking towards that now. In middle only one more pandal we will get in one square something, Misra square something. So we are walking towards that now. Here even water filling is not available. I have been looking out everywhere. Till now I haven't found it. You can see in it, still people are roaming around and lights are on, so it's safe, I guess. Some people said if some here and there people are coming and grabbing phone by coming in vehicle, so just look out for that, they said. Other than that, today will be much safer, they said. So let's see what will happen. Let's go. Some buses are running towards some places. It's almost 11:10 or something. Let's walk. We are going through streets like this. On side it is road only. This is sidewalk actually. So let's go. We are gonna see a big pandal now. So let's go. Bag is becoming more heavier and heavier as we walk. Let's go. This road we have to go. Entering. Everything is still going. They are even allowing car to enter through the streets. So it was blocked just a minute ago. Now we are getting to go. Sometimes bike also came. Let's go. Narrow street. It become much narrower over this side, but beautiful. They have decorated both sides. Let's go. So guys, we have come here. It's very good looking. Where is the pandal? We have to find it. Let's go. The other one is there. But this is not the one I was talking about. There's bigger one somewhere around here. Let's go find it. If you ask locally, then only you can find these pandals which are bigger. Otherwise, all the small ones we can see and go. The bigger one we have to find. We have to go like this inside way, finding many lighted way, illuminated way. Illuminated way. Like this. Through these narrow streets. I've been walking for about 10 minutes now from outside. They said about 1 kilometer. Still haven't found it. Let's keep on going. The people bathing at 12 o'clock at night. Can't say that this is the way to that big pandal. It's hard to believe. Let's go. Let's find it. I think it's closed now. I don't
turn left to stay on Golab Sastri Lane, Serpentine Lane.
Yeah. I don't think I missed any turn. I put it in Google Maps also. It's saying it's nearby. So let's find it. These are all heritage kind of old buildings. About these buildings can talk history of 150 years. That's what the locals are saying. I think it's way over there. Yes, I think this is it. And many people are there. That's why all the people outside were not being seen, because all are here. Let's go and find that pandal and look what's inside. Why these people are talking too much about it? Let's see. Look at the crowd, guys. Wait. That's a pandal I was talking about. Over there. Some kind of lighting, something. Let's go. Look at the crowd, guys. I think about Independence Day, something they are talking. On this side we will come out. So as I told earlier, this was a big one. Now if we want to find another big one, we got to go about 10 kilometers from here. A place called New World, New Town something. Lake Salt View Sector 5. That's the place we got to go now. We are going out the same way we came in. That's the easiest way. So let's go. So guys, we are getting better and better. On that road, two vehicle can't go, but here two people can't go. Okay. Like just now.
Oh my god, মানে বিগ বাজার তুই একটুখানি ইগনোর কর না কারণ ওই দিকটা তো দেখবি হ্যাঁ ওই দিকটা আমি কি করে পারবো মানে আমাকে আবার
Oh my god, I had to remove my backpack for everyone to go. I can't even. I have to squeeze out of here. अबे यार. ओय. Oh, literally squeezing. Yeah, we have reached this side. Now let them pass. Yeah. Now we have to go. Now got a little bit narrow road. Yes, yes. There was someone there. Came little bit road. So let's go. Now comes the attack from dogs. हाँ? YouTube नहीं ऐसा डालता है. Dogs got scared, I guess. Hey, who is this? Let's go. Really? Why is it following me? Now we are crossing the road. There make arrangement. So by having a rope over there, traffic is less comparatively. It's 12 o'clock now, literally. This is Kolkata at 12 o'clock. Now we have to walk about 8 kilometers from here by this dark road.
Turn right onto Balghata Main Road, Parikshit Roy Lane.
Let's go. By these tall valleys. Da, 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 da. Let's go. By roaming, I reached Big Ben in London. From Kolkata directly to London, I reached, I guess. Where am I? I have no clue. There is two people there. Both are having chashma. Howda, look. They said Howda for this. Look at there. That's the railway station. Not the one we came, so that Sealdom something. Sealdom railway station. These buses are going towards Howrah. Let's go. So guys, just sat down now. From two sides I saw fireworks. It's not coming now. Let's wait. It now came over there. Over that side. Coming on north, let's see. Yeah, came. Yeah. Now one more could be coming from there. I saw one from there. Come on. Where is it? Yeah, not coming. Let's go on then. Still buses are running. Oh, came again. But not on that side. I saw one on that side also. So yeah, walking over a bridge. Over there we can see many views. Now clear in Mumbai. Over there we can see some buildings. Over there we can see the Howrah Bridge. Let me try to zoom in for it. That's a Howrah Bridge. And there's something kind of factory, something. Let's walk. No one is there in this road. Some people are there. Over there, some are walking. But silent. Very peace, calmful environment. Old buildings, both sides. I had one 2-liter bottle with me. Some small child came in, took it from me and ran away. In that, even water was not there. I don't know what she's gonna do now. Now we have to go straight now. I want water also. I think all the water in my body has sweat out. Let's go. So now time is 1:09 in the morning. This is one of the pandal in this road. Let's go inside. Have a look. Oh. This is one I saw in the way. Wow. It's really nice. This is the way which we are currently walking through. Here's another pandal. Let's go. It's closed now. Actually they don't close, but the gate is closed here. All the other places have kept it open. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Anyway, let's go. They have kept some music. Wherever it is. Hey! Wherever it is, like the night view of the city will be much different from what we see in the morning. The vibe, the peace, quietness, that's what will be the main thing to enjoy at night. Here, due to festivities, whole Kolkata has been lighted up. Let's walk now. As now the time is 2:21. Look at the main road. I wanna cross and go to that side. I can't see any signal. I guess I can go. No, only 4 seconds. And over there, let's see the road successfully. And now we have to head straight for 5 kilometer or 3 something or 4. I guess 4 kilometer, 4.1 I guess. Let's see. This is the highway. Let's go. Yandal metro is there. Over there, Gaur Kishore Ghosh Metro. That metro's name, station's name. Yeah, we wanna go to a place called Lake Salt Sector 5. So we are gonna walk. We are walking. Yeah, let's go. I'm still walking. We are here and they have decorated the highway bypass. The metro station's name is Gaur Kishore Ghosh. Yeah, we wanna go to a place called Salt Sector something. Lake Salt Sector 5. We wanna go there. So let's keep walking. It's quite marvelous how they have decorated the way, main roads, everything. We're still walking. We are under the metro bridge. So let's go. Still traffic is there. Now the time is literally 3 o'clock. I have to hurry up with the speed because here under come sunrise will come at 4:30 in the morning, so they will off the light and we won't get the full experience. So let's go faster. So guys, now we have to take this footbridge. This bad smell is coming. We got to cross it, then go straight. Then we can see that special pandal that everyone is talking about. So let's go. While crossing the footbridge, we will come into a place like this. Yeah. From here, we got to take the left and keep on walking straight. Then one right. Then we'll reach the destination. So let's go. So guys, we are almost near. I can see the Burj Khalifa of Dubai from here. There it is. Maybe about 500 meters. We made it before sunrise anyway. So let's push it. So guys, this is the entrance. From here we can enter. And see Burj Khalifa. See the Burj Khalifa over there. Dubai. The real Dubai we can see from here. There's some kind of fountain or something. At last reach, guys. Wonderful. The fountains. Fountain. So let's go enter the Burj Khalifa from there. That's all. Let's go there. Let's go. We're going inside. Now the cooled ice cream, rolling ice cream, roller coaster ice cream, written over there. Yeah, under carnival style things are there. So almost 5 o'clock, it has started to become bright over here. There you can see sky is becoming more brighter. Yeah. The sunrise. Yeah.